Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes Tech Story. I'm your host, Dustin, and today we're diving into a captivating realm where technology meets innovation, the world of industrial robotics. We're focusing on the giants of this industry, known as the Big Four: ABB, Fanuc, KUKA, and Yaskawa. These companies are not just leading the market, they are transforming the very fabric of manufacturing across the globe. Let's start our journey with ABB, the Swiss titan known for its pioneering efforts in robotics since 1988. ABB robots, recognizable by their sleek white and red design, perform complex tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. They are at the forefront of collaborative robotics technology, designing machines that work side by side with humans, enhancing both safety and productivity without replacing the human element. Next, we turn our attention to Fanuc, a symbol of reliability and high performance in the robotics world. Based at the foot of Mount Fuji in Japan, Fanuc's robots are known for their striking bright yellow color. They are a staple in factories worldwide, especially in the automotive industry, where precision and endurance are paramount. Moving to Germany, we encounter KUKA, famous for its vibrant orange robots. KUKA has been a key player since 1898, known for its innovation in robotic automation, including arc and spot welding. They also lead in developing humanoid and autonomous mobile robots, adapting quickly to the evolving needs of logistics and transportation. Finally, we explore Yaskawa, another stalwart from Japan, rounding out the Big Four. Their Motomen robots are integral to industries that demand high precision and efficiency, such as arc welding and painting. With their classic white and blue color scheme, Yaskawa robots embody the company's commitment to compact and energy-efficient designs, which help maintain high productivity standards in manufacturing. These four companies collectively dominate the market, driving the future of automation in manufacturing. Their ongoing innovations not only enhance business efficiency but also shape the products we use every day. As they continue to evolve, they challenge us to rethink the dynamic between human workers and machines. As we conclude today's episode, it's evident that the Big Four are not just creating robots. They are building the future, one robotic arm at a time. Whether through ABB's collaborative bots, Fanuc's precision on the assembly line, KUKA's welding expertise, or Yaskawa's painting precision, each company uniquely contributes to a future where robots and humans collaborate to achieve progress. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore the cutting-edge technologies shaping our world. Thanks for listening. See you next time.